Investigators have charged a third suspect in connection with last month's murder of St. Andrew businesswoman Simone Collymore and her driver Winston Walters in Forest Hill, St. Andrew. He is Dwight Pink. Mr. Pink has been charged, along with Mrs. Collymore's husband Amar Collymore and Michael Adam, with murder and conspiracy to murder. Mr. Collymore and Mr. Adams appeared before the gun court section of the St. Andrew Parish Court this afternoon and were remanded. Both men, who are unrepresented, were given until February 26 to hire an attorney. Mr. Pink was not taken to court today as he is to face an identification parade in connection with a shooting. Mrs. Collymore and Mr. Walters were fatally shot on January 2 when gunmen on motorbikes sprayed bullets on the vehicle in which they were traveling. Mr. Collymore, who is accused of plotting the murder of his wife, was captured at a guest house in St. Elizabeth on February 7 during an early morning police operation. On January 27, the day of his wife's funeral, he was taken off a plane at the Norman Manley International Airport by CIV investigators.